Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can create a YouTube channel just with your Android phone, and then a YouTube channel banner, a YouTube profile picture, and a YouTube channel description, all using your Android phone. So you're going to have to launch your YouTube app and then go to your dashboard, that's your U page, and then you're going to tap on switch account. Then if you have some accounts logged in already, then you may have to switch to the mail that you want to use in creating your channel. That is, if you've created a specific email for the channel you want to create. So, and when you've done that switching now to that mail you want to use in creating the channel, then you go back to the U page again and you tap on create a channel. Then you'll have to put in your channel name, your channel handle, and then your photo. So like I'm doing now, you can edit the name. Automatically it may impute a name there for you, which is the name that is on your Gmail account, but you may need to change it depending on the purpose of the channel you're creating. So after you've changed that, you can also change your YouTube handle if it doesn't suit the purpose that you want to create the channel for. So you can change that, and for this it depends on the availability of on the name you want to use. Now Precious Imo is not available, so I have to use my Precious Imo Sings as the URL because that is available as the handle. The handle can also be referred to as the URL. And then you will have to change your profile picture if you want to. The picture you're seeing is the one that is on my Gmail account. So but let me just show you how you can add a profile picture if your picture is something you want to be different from the one that was automatically added from my Gmail account. So you just tap on the picture you want to appear on your YouTube profile and you crop it and then you save as profile picture. So now profile picture updated successfully, and then you tap on create channel, and there you have it. Your channel has been created. Your channel has been created. So moving now to the next thing I'm gonna be showing you. Okay, so we need to add a channel description to your channel. So you go back to the U page and then you're gonna see description. So you tap on that, and now on this particular interface you have to put a little bit of details or much details about what your channel is all about. So you put in all the information there, and when you're done doing that, you save. Make sure you save so that it's gonna update the information that you've added to the description page. So when people visit your YouTube page and they view your profile, they're going to see all this information that you have added. So the next thing is that you're going to add a channel banner. A channel banner. So to achieve that, I'll be showing you a short a short video. You can use Pixellab to create a YouTube channel banner from the scratch. So just follow through and watch all the steps closely. Now I'm on my Pixellab interface, so just follow closely and see everything that is being done. First thing, you're going to set the image size. So you tap on image size and you see there are several options there that you can tap on, but since what we want to do is YouTube channel banner, so I have to tap on YouTube channel banner. So when you've done that, you tap on OK, so that it's going to update. So just follow through. Then the next thing is that you're going to change the color of the background photo. I intend to use white for illustration purpose. You can decide to use any other color of your choice. So, but for my own preference, I'm going to use white, and I'm going to add a text. So for illustration purpose, the channel, remember my channel name is Precious Imo Sings. So for my YouTube channel banner, I want to do something that relates to that. So I'm using the text Precious Sounds. Precious Sounds. So I've added the text. Now I have to change the color to black because the default color isn't black. So I have to change it to black. That has been done. Tap on the good, and then watch closely for the next step. So I'm going to change the font now. Now for the font, you can decide to use anything of your choice. Yeah, anything that suits your preferences, and it has to be something that is eye-catchy, something that, yeah, at least, you know, is presentable. Yeah, it's presentable. So when someone comes, they will see that yes, this is creativity in display. So I've selected my font, and then when you're done, you tap on OK. So, but then it looks a little bit light, so I'm gonna bolden it, which I've done. Okay, watch closely, and then I also underlined it. Okay, that has been done. So now, based on the purpose of my channel, which is about music and songs, I want to add a picture to the text I've written down on my Pixellab interface. So I'm gonna get a microphone picture to attach to the text. So I come to my Chrome browser and I search for microphone PNG, and I pick my preferred choice and I download the image. But this image I downloaded isn't transparent. So luckily for me, the image has a white background. So after downloading the image, you come to your Pixellab and you tap on import to import the photo to the interface, to the design interface, and then you tap on good, and then there it is. So like I said, the image isn't transparent, so but fine and good, the image background is the same color with my design background. So I just have to take the image to back so that it doesn't cover the text. So you set the microphone to the exact place you want it to be, the size and everything the way you want it to be. You just take your time and set it to make sure that it looks quite presentable. Yeah, it should be presentable at least. You mustn't be a designer to be able to achieve this, but then if you have the money to pay for a designer to do the job for you, then that's awesome. But this is just one way at no cost. It just costs you your time. Yeah, and then you'll be able to achieve something that is presentable. So I've set it up. So the next thing, I'm going to merge the microphone and the text together. So I tapped on merge and I selected the both of them. Just watch closely for every step and merge them together. So that I did this so that I can centralize it perfectly well. Yeah, so watch everything I'm doing. Okay, it's been centralized. So the job is done. The next thing now is to save. So you tap on the save button and save as image, and make sure you don't increase the picture quality. Leave it on custom and you save it to gallery. Just leave it the way it is and you save it. When you're done, you go back to your YouTube app, and now we want to upload the YouTube channel banner. So go back to your U page, and now you tap on the camera icon for the YouTube channel banner, and you tap on choose photo from gallery. You're gonna see the image you just created using Pixellab. Now one thing you should do is that you need to crop it. So zoom it in. Now you see the image perfectly fits. Now you see that you're seeing TV, desktop, all devices. So meaning that for TV users who use YouTube, who watch YouTube with their TV, they're going to see the full picture. For desktop users, they're going to see half of the picture, the part that is selected for desktop users. And then for all devices, which refers to smartphones, they're going to see the section that is selected as all devices. And that's why we pinch the picture, we pinch the main text, so that it's going to be seen by smartphone users, because I guess those are the major persons that makes use of the YouTube space. So that has been done. Now you need to install the YouTube Studio app. You need to have that so that you can check the analytics of your video to see how well your video is performing. And when you install the app, you have to sign in with the account that you want to use for your channel. So I had already signed in with another account, so I have to switch account. So if you have the YouTube Studio app already and you want to switch account, you just do the same thing I'm doing here. But then if you're just installing it, you have to sign in directly to the account. You won't have to switch account. So when that has been done, now you go to your Chrome browser. Now it's very necessary that you open your YouTube page and your YouTube Studio page on your Chrome browser. It's very necessary because there are quite a number of settings that you need to do on these two interfaces that you can just achieve with the mobile version of the app. So you need a desktop view, and make sure when you come to your Chrome browser, you're using the desktop site view. You're not just using the normal view. Now when you've come to your Chrome browser, I already have my YouTube page and then my YouTube Studio page, because this is not the first time I'm logging into YouTube and YouTube Studio with my Chrome. So, but if you don't have that, you have to search for YouTube and YouTube Studio, and then you open those pages. So to switch account, for you who maybe have an account already on your YouTube Chrome browser, so you just see what I did now. You tap on that image icon and then you tap on switch account, and then you have to refresh the browser, and then you're going to see an option to sign in, and then you just sign in with the Gmail account that is connected to the YouTube account. So now you see I've been signed into Precious Emo Syncs. So it is that easy. Now automatically, once you're signed into YouTube with the Gmail account that is linked to your channel, automatically, if you've opened a page already for YouTube Studio, it's going to sign you in automatically to the channel that you've signed in using the YouTube page. So what you need to do is to tap on return to studio, and then it logs you into the account that you have signed in on your YouTube page here on Chrome browser. So here it is, Precious Emo Syncs is also signed in here. So that's it. So from this interface, you can also see how well your videos are performing, see your numbers of views, see the watch time, review, see your audience, those who are watching your videos, and all the rest of that. Now I'm going to show you how to customize your channel using the YouTube Studio page. So you tap on channel customization, and then after tapping on channel customization, you now see you can also change or remove your channel banner from this interface. Yeah, that's possible here. For your profile picture too, you can also change your profile picture. Yeah, you can also edit your channel name. Yeah, you can also edit your channel handle, but though this can't be done every time, so you can change your handle back within 14 days. So that's like once every 14 days. Then you can also change your description or add more information to your description, and then you can also add your email address. Yeah, add email address and also add video watermark. And when you're done, you have to publish whatsoever you have updated so far. What I mean is this. So for instance, let me just add a mail, but I'm going to clean this off later on. So after adding the mail, now you see publish at the top right, so you tap on publish. Yeah, so that was done for illustration purpose, but that mail isn't supposed to be linked to this account, so I have to clean it off and also tap on publish to make sure that the change is effected. Okay, so that's been done. So the next thing is the home tab. Now the home tab, this is what people see when they visit the home tab of your channel, the home page of your channel. Yeah, so you can activate it and now edit it and set it in your preferred way, the way you want it to be seen by people when they view it. So it's something that is self-understandable, so you can set that up yourself. Then the next thing, you tap on setting like I just tapped now, and on the general side you set your currency. Of course, you know that your YouTube business is something that pays, so you're going to set your default currency, and then when you've done that, you tap on channel. You're going to set your country of residence, and then after that you have to add keywords. So depending on what your channel is about, you're going to have to add few words that are related to what your channel is about. So mine is music related, so I added something like music, and then also add something like song. So ChatGPT can help you on this. You just write to ChatGPT a few brief of what your channel is about, and then they can give you some keywords to add to your channel. And then you have the advanced setting, where you have the option of setting whether the video is made for kids or your channel is made for kids, or you want to review that for every video you want to upload. So, and you also have your link account that has to do with your Google Ads account linking, which is necessary, especially when you've met the monetization criteria. So, but that can be left aside for now, for the meantime, while you are spending more time on building your channel history, creating videos. Future eligibility. Now, after creating your channel, you may just be eligible for this, for the number one thing there on the list. So the other two, which is number 2, intermediate features, number 3, and advanced features, you may not be eligible for it at first because the channel is new. So, but as time goes on, you'll be eligible. So when you're done with that, you tap on save, and everything will be updated as you have saved. Thanks for watching.